Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're coming at you with Low Carb Chicken Nuggets. A relatively easy recipe to make.
I enjoyed them.
You did? Good.
Yeah.
Good. Tried to make it keto, but unfortunately it's just low carb.
But to make it keto, you would use
Pork rinds.
pork rinds. That's right.
Yes, and there are numerous flavors of pork rinds out there.
But in this case, we use shake and bake.
Yep.
Okay.
So you got 4 to 5 chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, any flavor of shake and bake, and a parchment paper lined baking sheet. So you want to make sure you rinse your chicken after it's thawed. So then after you rinse off your chicken, you're going to want to, of course, cut off the fat. Nasty.
Yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, that's gross. So then cut it into bite-sized pieces. I will say though, it is kind of difficult to cut the chicken before it's cooked.
So you'll need a sharp knife.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, make sure you've got a really sharp knife. And then you're gonna want to grab your shake and bake.
And in this case, we use 2 separate flavors.
Yep. We decided to use original shake and bake and cheddar. I prefer the cheddar. What do you like?
The cheddar.
You like the cheddar too?
So then we just preheated the oven to 400 degrees.
Yep. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Add your shake and bake to the bag.
You know, before I helped film this, I never knew how to make shake and bake.
Really?
Yeah,
Huh.
I've never made it before. So this was all new to me.
Next time we make it, I'm going to have you do it. So then you add about half of the chicken to one bag, and then make sure you shake it up.
So we'll shake it and bake it.
Yep. Hence the thought, shake and bake. So then, I typically just kind of dump the chicken out onto the pan, but I decided to do it this way to make it less messy.
Which is always a good thing. You have less mess to clean up.
Yep. And then we added the other half of the chicken to the other bag.
So this would be flavor number 2.
Yep.
And you can't do that if you're using pork rinds. It would just be one flavor.
Right. Well, you could, actually. You could put, one flavor of pork rinds in a Ziploc bag, crush it up, put another flavor of pork rinds in a Ziploc bag, crush it up, and then add your chicken to it, seal it, and shake it. Although I've never used pork rinds, so I'm not sure how much they would adhere to it. So now here you're going to want to put your chicken in the oven for 20 minutes.
So start it.
Start it.
And 20 minutes
20
later.
minutes later, you got glorious chicken nuggets.
Delicious looking.
Oh, they were so good.
Yeah.
And you can actually pair these with vegetables too to keep it low carb. Yeah, I actually, when we did the chicken nuggets, I paired mine with green beans, and it was really good.
And if you are familiar with our channel, we just did a video on making keto barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
So we use that with these as well.
Yep.
So any final thoughts about this recipe?
Just that it was really easy to make.
And I enjoyed it too. So that should just about do it for this one then.
Mm-hmm.
Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to.
Yep.